Well, hi there, everybody. Meteorologist Don Morello with you here on iFIBER Channel 1 News. Hope you had a great Friday. Your weather forecast is brought to you by your Bud Cleary Toyota dealers. Toyota, let's go places. High wind watch remains in effect, especially on Saturday night, and Sunday. We're looking for wind speeds 25, 35 miles an hour on average, but gusting possibly higher than 50. And you know that could put down some power lines, maybe some trees. So again, watch that out. Could be a rather interesting weekend. Some improvement, albeit slight, during the first half of Sunday, but still pretty breezy right through the weekend. 49 degrees and 22 the extremes today. Now you're wondering, how did we fall to 22 degrees? It was a mild start. Well, that was around the midnight hour last night. Temperatures actually rose through the overnight hours last night. 34 degrees. That was what the temperature was around midnight last night. Clouds coming on in and winds picking on up. 34 degrees in Moses Lake. 49, almost clipping that 50-degree mark before the clouds, and a little shower activity now moving on into the vicinity. 44 degrees currently, 31 degree dew point. Look at this wind. Yep, already picking up, and the main storm is far away, believe it or not. Taking a look at the satellite picture, you can see the moisture coming into the coast, squeezing out a little bit in the Cascades, but some are now making a cross into the basin. Main storm center is out west, and again, we'll watch this as it continues to progress eastward. Again, the main storm center here, but by Saturday morning, look, it's still a big band, and as that moves across, the winds will pick up. Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, Sunday morning, especially Saturday night, the wind speed is probably the strongest. The main storm center moving across, dissipating a little bit as it moves into British Columbia or south of that, so we'll be on the mild side of this for the most part. Still some more moisture bands coming in, even into Sunday night into Monday morning possibly, before we really dry it out by the work week, again, Monday afternoon, Tuesday. In the meantime, the state forecast specifically, 40s for the most part, for most areas, and very windy and very heavy rains. Snow levels around 3,000 feet, but that'll be rising overnight tonight. Inland Northwest, you saw temperatures upper 30s, lower 40s, so even there, mainly liquid unless you get higher up in the elevations. Here in the Columbia Basin, we're looking for, again, temperatures generally into the 40s, not too bad, but again, very, very windy and wild. Speaking of which, windy and wild on our Saturday, 47 degrees, 42 on Sunday. Some clearing during the afternoon, but still a shower threat. Mild on Monday, and that above normal temperature theme will continue right into next week, right through the work week. And really no big chance of precipitation once we get through this. Although there are some signs Thursday, but I'm being optimistic right now. Keep the showers away. Well, take it easy this weekend. Have an enjoyable weekend, everybody. Keep it here. Sports is next.